In this video, I will show you how to add a rectangle or a box within TradingView. Now, this is actually very easy and simple to do. Now, you need to go to the left side of your screen, so you see this sidebar, and you need to open this brush area. So don't tap on this brush, but tap on this little arrow next to this brush. And here you can see brushes, arrows, and shapes. And under shapes, you see rectangle right here. So you can just tap on this and just tap on your screen and tap once more to place the rectangle. You can replace the rectangle. You can go to the settings right here and go to style to change the colors. So you can add a middle line, for example. You can change the background by going to this one like this and make this green, for example. And you can also add a template. So if you want to make this rectangle color a template, so you don't have to change the settings like this every time, you can do that easily. Oh, that's my sound. You can do that easily by tapping on this one right there and tap on Save Drawing Template As or Apply Default Drawing Template. And then you see all of your templates right here. So I can, for example, tap on the green, and now I have a green rectangle right there. What I also can do is change the borders right there. And what you also can do, instead of going to the sidebar every time, is press Option Shift R and then place the rectangle. Or what you can do is star this rectangle, and then you can tap on the star icon in the left down corner of your screen, and then you see all of your saved or starred items, so you can easily just place the rectangle like this. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.